Hi there, I'm James from Norcamp, and I'd just like to talk to you about the Norcamp Silver Cloud rectangular corner set. Now this comes with a glass top table. You can get this in a fire pit version, but at the moment we've obviously got this one set up with a glass top table. So I'll talk to you about the sofa first. Obviously it's same principle for the table as well. Obviously you've got an aluminium frame, so you haven't got to worry about rust or anything like that. With the weave, obviously as it's woven, you don't need to worry about the weather either. So once some cushions are off, you can either cover it just to obviously maintain the cleanliness and how long it will last, or it can be out in the rain, so you haven't got to worry as much either. So you've then also got the cushions. So the colour of the cushion, as it's known, is ash, and obviously these are quite a comfortable cushion. I'd say you can get a little drizzle on it, but I wouldn't end up anything more than a shower. I wouldn't want them to get any more wet than that. To clean these, if they were to end up with any dirt on them, they recommend only warm soapy water, but that'll be it. You don't want to put any harsh chemicals or anything like that. If not, you'd want to contact us beforehand anyway. So obviously at the bottom of the frame, I'll show you on one of the stools, it's slightly easier. You've got non-marking feet on the bottom here. So what that means is obviously it won't damage your decking, your slabs or anything like that you may have. It's also got some grip there as well, so obviously it won't slide about. Then going from the grip, I'd also like to mention that this comes with obviously these clips here, which what they allow you to do is at the moment we haven't got it clipped in, so I can obviously move my sofa here. Once you find the place that you'd like it to go, you'd obviously clip these in underneath the sofas, and that will obviously allow to keep it all together. So obviously if you've got a slippery decking or some surface or anything like that, it won't keep sliding about. Alright, this comes with obviously 3 stools on this model here. This will allow us to obviously seat probably 7-8 people at this, so you can obviously dine here, or have a bit of a lounge anyway. It's big enough for a bit of a lounge. This setup on this corner here at the minute is a left hand. So the way I can describe that is as you look at it from the outside point of view, it's left hand long. Now we can make it a right hand long instead if we wish to suit our area by taking out this extension. So I'm just going to move this sofa slightly so you can just see that the extension here does move about, so you can then put it in place on this side here. So this extension here can obviously be moved over there, which will then turn it into a right hand long corner set. I'm just going to take some measurements for you as well, so you can see how long the sofa is on each side, so you can make sure you've got enough space for everywhere that you may need. So we'll start with the shorter side here. I'm going to take measure in my pocket. So on the shorter side, we're looking at about 190 is what we're looking for there on centimetres. And on the longest side, which obviously varies on what side you put the extension on, you're looking at, you probably need about 260. So 260 by 190 on the sofa. Obviously you're going to want to allow extra space for movement, to obviously be able to move around the sofa if you choose to. And obviously on the table, I believe this is at 155, but I'll just double check. Yeah, that's 155 long, and obviously the width is 80. And then the stools themselves, obviously they're going to be squared, but you're looking at, they're 38 centimetres squared. Just big enough obviously to have a seat at, obviously to be able to just sit down at your corner and obviously have a bit of a dine round here as well. So as you can see, you've got a bit of space all round to be able to fit some more food on the table, drinks on the table, just to be able to relax a bit more. So this is obviously one of the models that we do. Obviously we do them with fire pits. We do smaller versions of this set as well. So this is part of our Norcamp range. So it's the Silver Cloud rectangular corner. This one is with the ash cushions. And yeah, so if you want to see any more of our sets that we do, look at our website, give us a call, give us an email, just contact us, and we're happy to help. So thank you for watching this video.